Hey everybody. In my last video, I made a start here block, and this one has four blocks at the top that represent categories on your blog, and then these circles represent specific blog posts. So had a question about how to link to categories and not directly to a blog post. So what I did was I went into, and this is just a test site. It's just fake stuff on it just so I can demonstrate. Okay, and I have four categories on here: activities, exercise, meals, and self-care. So I'm going to, for example, I'm going to change this one to exercise. That would be my category. And then I'm going to add a link right here. So how do you link to a category? Well, exercise, if you just go to view the category, and this is going to be the URL. So you just copy that and you paste the link in there, and be sure to hit this little submit arrow, and that's it. Now it makes an underline. If you don't want the underline, you can say none, or you can say underline on hover, whatever you prefer. Okay, so I'm going to update this, and then we'll go take a look at it. And here you go, exercise, and we go to the exercise post. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Thanks.